Paulina from Computer Department, Singapore University. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the pointer in C. So basics of pointer using simple programs. So in this video, I will explain about what is the pointer and what is the use of pointer in C. So what is pointer? Basically, the pointer is nothing but the pointers are a special variables that are used to store address of another variable rather than values. So what the pointer will actually do, the pointers will store the address of the another variable. So as we know that if we are declaring the variable, normal variable in C programming, so what is the syntax? Generally we are writing first the return type, then variable name, and if we want to assign the value, then we are assigning the value. So same like the pointer is a kind of variable. Okay, and this variable will store the address of the another variable. So if you have the normal variable like integer type and you want to make it pointer variable, then your pointer variable will be integer type. Same like if you have the character type variable and you want to make it pointer, then your pointer variable will be character type. Same like float. And in addition that we can use array and function with the pointer. So now how we can declare the pointer variable? As we know that how we are declaring the normal variable, but how we can declaring the pointer variable? So for declaring the pointer variable, we will use the special sign. This is called the asterisk sign. So what is the syntax to declare the pointer variable? First we'll take the return type, then asterisk sign, then pointer variable name. And in this pointer variable, we'll store the address of this normal variable. So now, what is address? What is the meaning of address? So whenever we are declaring the variable, this variable will get some space into the memory, and this memory have some particular address, and this address will be stored into the pointer variable. So how we can store the address into the pointer variable? So this is the sign. Using that we can store the address into the pointer variable, and this is called the ampersand. So in this pointer we'll use two special sign. The first is the asterisk sign to declare the pointer variable, and the second is ampersand sign to assign the address of the variable to the pointer variable. So how we can get the value using pointer, right? So as we have seen in the previous slide, we have taken one pointer variable, we have taken one normal variable, and the address of this normal variable we are assigning to this pointer variable, and if we'll print this pointer variable, we'll get the address. The same thing, if we want to get the value using pointer variable, then we have to print this pointer variable with asterisk sign. So here the address of C is assigned to the pointer variable, and to get the value stored in that address, we'll use the asterisk sign with pointer variable. So that will get the value. But if we want to get the address directly, we can print the pointer variable. So this is a simple program. Using that will get the value and address. So let us see the program that how we can get the value and address using pointer. Okay, so this is my dev C++. In that, first I will take the new source file, and we are writing the program of pointer. So first of all, the program will start with the header file. Then we will take in the main method, we'll take two variables. The first is pointer variable, pointer variable, and the second we will take normal variable like int C is equal to 100. Okay. And now we want to store the address of this normal variable into pointer variable. So in the pointer variable, we want to store the address of this C. And now let us see that if we are printing the normal variable and if we are printing this pointer variable. So printf value of C is %d, comma. In the first we are printing the normal variable, so it will give the value, and in the second we are printing the address of C. %d, and in this we will print pointer variable, right? And let us see what actually we are getting. First of all, save this program, pointer.c, and compile this program and run this program. Okay, the value of C is 100 and the address of C is 2293316. If I am putting here slash and get the output into the new line. Okay, so this is the output, that using the pointer we can get the address of this another variable. So this pointer will store the address of the another variable. This is the use of pointer. Thank you.